Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best key padlocks that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Keyed Padlocks. This isn't your fault at all. However, we can help you find a better padlock to keep your belongings safe. Whether you're trying to secure a shed, garage, gate, or something else, padlocks have different features to take into consideration. It's important that you learn about the elements of padlocks so you're choosing one with the proper security measures you want. Number 10. Master Lock 140Q Solid Brass Key-to-Like Padlocks 4-pack brass. 4-pin cylinder, dual locking lever mechanism provides pick and pry resistance. Padlock features a durable solid brass body to resist corrosion, a shackle for cut resistance. Main features: durable, dual locking lever, hardened steel. Number 9. Master Lock 140T Solid Brass Key-to-Like Padlock 2-pack. Padlock features a durable solid brass body to resist corrosion and a hardened steel shackle for cut resistance. 4-pin cylinder, dual locking lever mechanism provides pick and pry resistance. Main features: durable, dual locking lever, hardened steel. Number 8. Master Lock N530 XTLH Magnum Solid Steel Key-to-Like Padlocks 2-pack. Made of tough cut boron carbide, 50% harder than hardened steel, offering maximum resistance to cutting and sawing. Main features: indoor-outdoor padlock, hardened steel, application flexibility. Number 7. Master Lock Padlock Solid Brass Lock 3/4 inch wide 120Q pack of 4 key-to-like. 120Q solid brass padlocks feature a 3/4 inch wide solid brass lock body that is strong. Main features: storage cabinets, durable design, padlock application. Number 6. Master Lock 141D Covered Aluminum Keyed Padlock 1-pack black. The 4-pin cylinder prevents picking and the dual locking levers provide resistance against prying and hammering. The limited lifetime warranty provides peace. Main features: aluminum body, dual locking lever, hardened steel. Number 5. Master Lock 3 Trilth Laminated Steel Padlock with Key 3-pack. The 4-pin cylinder prevents picking and the dual locking ball bearings provide resistance against prying and hammering. The limited lifetime provides peace. Main features: heavy duty, high security, hardened steel. Number 4. Master Lock 3 Trilth Laminated Steel Padlock with Key 3-pack. The 4-pin cylinder prevents picking and the dual locking ball bearings provide resistance against prying and hammering. The limited lifetime provides peace of mind from a brand you know. Main features: heavy duty, high security, hardened steel. Number 3. Paroma Key Padlock Stainless Steel Discus Lock with 3/8 inch. Ideal for pod storage units, garages and sheds, outdoor gates, warehouses, logistics stores, storage moving trucks, etc. Brass chrome plated cylinder. Main features: heavy-duty lock, hardened steel, high security. Number 2. Master Lock 140 DLF Padlock with Key 1-pack brass. Indoor and outdoor use, padlock is best used for backpacks, tackle boxes, lockers and storage locks. 4-pin cylinder and dual locking lever mechanism provides pick. Main features: durable, application flexibility, hardened steel. Number 1. Master Lock Padlock Covered Aluminum Lock 1 to 9/16 inch wide black. The 4-pin cylinder prevents picking and the dual locking levers provide resistance against prying and hammering. The limited lifetime warranty provides peace. Main features: dual locking lever, durable design, padlock application. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.